So this is our fully automatically wheel fabrication machine. We introduced you that now we will make single wheel production. Then you can check for standard that we do the fully automatically wheels and the cover. We also use this machine to revolve it by automatically weight. This can save a lot of your workers' hours and can automatically solve your production. That it has very high capacity of your production, and we already shipped it to different countries like India, like Australia, like Turkey. So many countries that already use our machine. So we can help you how to run this machine and how to make the wheels in fully automatically way.